have Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, you have to open a keypad in your dial application and enter the secret codes here. The first code for today will be *##4 636 ###, and this is the phone information menu. Here you can check different informations about your device, about apps usage statistics. You can find some Wi-Fi information, also the NFC settings too. The next code will be *##225 *##. This is the calendar info menu. Here you can view your calendars if you have any. Then the next code will be *#426 *##. And this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view a lot of different informations about your Wi-Fi connection, something like that. The next code will be *##2486 *##, and this is something interesting. This is the testing menu. Oh, let's try to do it one more time. And here you can test different features of your device, which you can see in this list, like display, camera, Bluetooth, battery, sensor, touch panel. You can see its version, like you can test vibration and test all these features if they work properly or there's some issues, so it could be very useful. The next code will be *#07#, and this is the regulatory information. And the last code for today will be *#06#, and this is the device information like email, email2, and also a serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.